Hey guys, well, go on. It's your girl Sudeen, and I'm back with another video. So for today's video, I will be doing a bomb twist out. You ready? Come here now. So for my twist out, I will be using the Ashley Cocoa Butter Twist and Define Cream. I love this air cream because it penetrates my thick 4C hair and bring great moisture. Also, I'll be using my Ecostyler gel because I want my style to last for the whole week, and also some oil. So I'm starting off by making sections to either sides of my hair because for this twist out I'll be doing a flat twist at the sides. Alright, and it's the reason for my sections. Me finally done. Yay, me. Can go to my bed now. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tie my hair, and I will see you tomorrow for the takedown. Bye. So it's the next day and it's time for the takedown. Guys, I am late as hell for work. Everybody's in the car and I'm in the bathroom taking down my twist out. So this is gonna be real quick. So first I'm applying my oil to my hair. Okay, because the oil will minimize the frizz. I will only be separating my hair once today because I want my twist out to last me for the whole week.
Every part of my body was in place. Many people died and never saw this day. So another day I live, I appreciate. Don't ever wanna act too high and mighty, cause tomorrow I can fall down on my face.
So that's it for today. Comment down below, let me know what you think about my day one twist out. So yeah, let me come gather people them work. Bye guys, see you tomorrow for day 2 results. So it's day 2 guys, and my curls are still standing. I am so happy. Usually me butter them when I'm asleep, but yeah, them still are gone. Them still look nice. So I'll be adding my oil. Give myself a little bit of moist, a little bit of shine. Get those curls looking juicy and lovely. Don't mind me. So guys, today I'll be separating my hair more because I'm going for a more poofier look today. Also, I'll be pinning up the side. I'm going for a little fro arc, as you can see. Yeah, it's not a mohawk, it's a fro arc. Yeah. So it's big ear today. Big ear don't care. So after pinning up the sides, I will be picking the roots to get my poofy look. So basically, I'm just fixing my hair to my liking. Yeah, so that's it for today. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. If you are new here, please ensure that you subscribe down below. And for my faithful subscribers, go and big up on yourself. Sudeen Alecia, love you. Alright, don't forget to like, share, and follow me on my social media handles. Bye.